Hey everybody, Duke from Vantage Pro here with Bob from Elation, and looking at a new fixture here, and I love this thing. It's going to blow your mind, some of the stuff it does, but it's the 6+Bar with, of course, the L and the S. So we got the big one and the little one, which
absolutely,
man, I just love logical naming convention. But that is the least interesting thing about this fixture. Talk to us about kind of, I mean, obviously it's a bar light.
Yeah. So we, very similarly to our 6-bars, we were looking to update our 6-bars to match some of the new improvements we've made in the 6+Bar. So we've developed the 6+Bar, as you said. We took a lot of cues from the original. There's still the same number of LEDs. Okay. 6 on the S size and 12 on the L size. Something that a lot of our customers and designers were doing with the fixture was using it in a direct view application. Right. So we actually increased the size of the lenses of the LED to make it a little bit more.
They look cooler.
Eye candy.
Yeah.
So something that a lot of designers and customers were doing was using this fixture in a direct view application. Right. So we took some with that idea, and we chose a bigger 50mm lens, so you can get even more eye candy. Yeah. And we chose a nice, pretty faceted optic on there too, to create some, nice cheery looks. Well, which is important, right? Because if this is your backdrop, you want to see more lens, less fixture. Exactly, right? You buy it for the lights, you know. Although I like the casing and the industrial design, the lenses and the light output. Well, we'll get to that in a second. Yeah. So obviously 6+Bar, or 6+Bar. Yes. So that implies that there's 6 colors in there. There absolutely is 6 colors, and it shares the same colors and LED as our 6+Par. Okay. So it has a red, green, blue, lime, amber, and UV LED. All right. So you can get some really beautiful saturated colors for your wall washes. Right. But if you need to use this in maybe a footlight application or something where you do need to provide some key lighting, we do have the lime emitter in there. Okay. So you can provide a really nice CCT from 24 to 8500 degrees Kelvin and still maintain a high CRI or color fidelity. And plenty bright. Absolutely. These are quite bright. And with this lens change, we've actually expanded the beam spread. It's around 25 degrees. Okay. And the lenses are designed to homogenize really well. That's awesome. So these can be used in almost directly up against the wall in an uplighting application, and they won't have any scalloping. Still be smooth, they'll be completely smooth. It actually creates a really beautiful wall wash. Okay. Yeah. And you talked about kind of the form factor and the casing of this. Obviously, they can mount together. This mounted with something else right now, but you can put these together. But you can do a lot of crazy stuff with this. This fixture certainly was meant to be utilized in a number of applications that I can't even imagine. Right. So we designed some unique features so that a customer can use them how they need to. Yeah. They obviously, like you said, they can interlock with other 6-bars. The fixture above it is our pulse bar. So for customers that need some sort of a strobe LED, it can interlock with that. It's a shared housing. So you can interlock multiple fixtures linearly. And we've also added some airline track. Which is it's a standard track used in some shipping and other applications. But in our cases, it allows us to use some unique adapters. So we've added them to both sides of the fixture as well as the back. Okay. And our feet or trunnions are actually designed to be airline track connected. Okay. So you can take your foot and you can move it along the back of the fixture to line up with your beautiful diagonal webbing on your truss that we all know and love, because it's always in the perfect spot. Right. Or you can put those feet along the sides, so you can hang it in a different orientation. We have other adapters that allow you to place C-clamps directly to the airline track, or threaded rod, or do fixture-to-fixture interconnect through the airline track. So really, however you need to hang it, wherever you need to hang it, there's places to put it. Absolutely. Which, I mean, I think that's completely unique to the entire lighting market. I don't know any light fixture out there
where you can put your clamp and your attachment wherever you want on the fixture.
Yeah, exactly. It's just really meant to be customizable to whatever the installation needs.
That's pretty incredible.
Something else that the housing has is a integrated slot for diffusion.
Okay.
The fixture will ship with a sheet of frost.
Okay.
But we're also going to offer some ND filters, which are really popular in filming applications because sometimes the lights are always too bright.
Right.
You throw some ND in there and it's a little happier for the camera.
Right.
We'll also ship it with a glare shield for those wall wash applications.
That's great.
The glare shield can screw right along into the side, and you can still use the airline track with the glare shield installed.
Well, there you go. What else could you possibly want? So,
the fixture is fanless as well.
But
So
wait,
just
there's
another-
more.
There
right?
is a little bit more.
That's awesome.
So it's a fanless fixture for silent operation.
That's fantastic.
Yep.
So
Did we mention IP65?
I can't remember, but
It is.
you did now. So, well, I guess will it make my coffee?
No, it will not.
Ah, so close.
No, you'll still have to go to Starbucks.
So close to the perfect fixture.
Yes.
So, but no, I think this thing's incredibly flexible. I'm excited to see how it can get used out there, especially with all of the different mounting options. I think that actually is probably the most unique thing about it. Even though it looks great, it's like just the ability to mount all those things is incredible.
Super flexible.
Yeah. So, all right, the new 6+ bar series from Elation, the S and the L. Incredible stuff. Check it out on our website, or if you want to talk about how it can fit into your application well, reach out to us at VantageProAV.com.